Well, we just did a capacitor swap. It's really late. My clock died out here again, so I don't know what time it is. Um, got the loud annoying air conditioner on because I tried to turn the big one on again, but the fan motor bearings on it were still acting up, so it's going to be very hard to get that fixed. So, let's see what does it do now. Holy crap, it's faster. Let's turn this air conditioner off so you actually hear it. This thing flies. I'd say that's pretty good. I'm gonna adjust it a bit to make sure, because I think some of the blades on it are a bit out of clock. So I'm gonna see if I can fix it somehow, and then I will return. Well, the capacitor I use is a bit too big to fit in that bottom canopy. When I was bending the blades initially, I think I bent the motor shaft, like where the top of the motor goes into the bearing. So it doesn't quite look level as it did before, and don't really know how to fix that, but we will give it a full test now. Still hooked up to solid state. I can't seem to do anything about the balancing. I think it's high speed. And see what the slowest I can get it to spin is. I love this sound. This is super nostalgic. A lot of people really hate the sound of industrial fans buzzing, but this is the sound that I absolutely love. This brings back a lot of very good memories. That wobbles real bad. As of right now, I'm just kind of messing around with the solid state. I don't really got much to say right now, besides I'm still messing with it, seeing how this thing will work. There's another notch on this capacitor, and I think I can make it spin a bit faster. So, here's high speed. I might also just pull this off of the thing I have it on right now. This speed control is solid state. I might just have it just on a straight switch. I don't want to use the wall choke. I might also take apart this wall choke because I'm kind of curious about it. Because it looks like it has a capacitor in here of some sort. 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 microfarad. So, kind of strange. I also have a free speed capacitance control that I want to try with this as well. So, I'll see that. Because I got that for the can arms when I put the can arms out here. But I might just switch to solid state because I do like to hum. Even out of CP56s that were in my YMCA growing up, they never hummed like this. So, very strange. We've returned. I rewired the capacitor so all 3 speed taps are together. So I'm going to plug it in and set the high speed. Let's see what happens. I don't think it's going to get much faster if this, no matter what I try. Another thing I might also try is taking some pitch off the blades. I can kind of see which blade is a bit knackered on here now, so I'm going to have a look at that. Took some of the pitch off the blades, kind of balanced them. We'll see. It just feels very strange. The motor gets pretty hot, but I think that's the thing with all industrials. It could also be because I'm pushing the motor. This might be a fan that is more of a fan that works off of speed than pitch. Okay, that's more like it. I guess adding pitch to this is not a good idea. But now it doesn't really feel like it's moving any air. Feel a bit, but my Eatington does better than this. This will be a good placeholder until I do get the proper fans that I want, though. So I'm going to stick with, probably going to put one of these up soon. As much as I don't like this piece of junk, I probably will. How hot the motor is, I'm also thinking somewhere around here I have a little scroll cage blower type thing. So I might see about fastening that onto the motor, kind of like a ERS industrial. Because that motor does run real hot. Look kind of goofy, but it'd probably make the fan motor run a lot cooler. Therefore, probably will extend the life of this piece of shit. I'd say this is still better than stock, because I think when it was stock it wasn't even spinning this fast. Turning off the solid state. I'm going to put the traditional choke style control on it. Actually, we're going to have a look at this choke style control. I'm going to take it to bits. It's got a screw here. I'm going to probably turn the fan back on. And this looks like it's just for the bracket. So, that's the bracket. It's not pretty. I don't know if the knob comes off or not. the internal. It's just a capacitor. So it's a 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 microfarad capacitor. I'm not too sure how one of these works, and then we just got like a very normal switch. Which I think you can put another position on. This could be a 6th position. Choke stall control. I'm gonna guess this switch here was purpose made for ceiling fans. So I'm gonna try this on the fan. I'm gonna put this control back together and then I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna see what happens. We're going to try this again now. I have the choke control installed. And if I remember right, 5 is actually the slowest speed. A bit of arcing inside of this. So we'll go through the speeds. I never got a chance to go through the speeds before stock capacitor, but it was so freaking slow, I don't think it was worth it. So this is low. This is medium low. Here's medium. Here is medium high. Actually, I'm starting to feel air now from this speed. And this is high. Definitely makes noise, but noise isn't really a concern out here. I'll probably get a proper solid state variable speed control because what I was using for the test is this cardboard box control made by KB Electronics. This is the spin down. I don't think there's much exciting about this. It's just the spin down. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you very much for watching, and keep the breeze.